For the right triangle ABC, which is right angle at C, it's given here that A equals to 412 units, C equals to 610 units. We need to determine the remaining parts. Okay, let us begin. To begin with, what we'll do, we're going to consider a right angle triangle ABC. So here we have the triangle ABC, which is right angled at C. Now, there are a few parameters that are already being provided to us. It's given here that angle C measures 90 degree because it's not, and then we have A equals to 412. Now here A is simply going to be the side that is opposite to angle A, which means CB, that is the measure A, and it is given here that is 412 units. Then we have the side C given to us, that's 610, meaning side C is going to be the side that is opposite to angle C. So AB is going to be the side C, and its measure is given as 610 units. Our goal will be to determine the remaining part. That means we need to find here the remaining side, which is the side B. B is going to be the side that is opposite to angle B. Then we need to find out the angle measure of A and the angle measure of B. Okay, let us begin. So first what we'll do, we are going to consider cosine of angle B. So if we take cosine of angle B, that is defined as the adjacent, which is A, to that of the hypotenuse C. Right, so that means cosine of B is going to be equals to 412 divided by 610. But what we need here is the measure of angle B. So what we'll do, we're going to take the inverse cosine function on both sides. So we get cosine inverse of cosine B, that is going to be equals to cosine inverse of 412 over 610. So cosine inverse of cosine B, that simply gives us B. So B is going to be equals to, now we are going to use a calculator to find out the value of cosine inverse of 412 over 610. So that comes out to be approximately 47.5 degrees. So here we have obtained the value of angle B. So we have 47.5 degrees. Now that we have the angle measure of B, it's quite easy to find out the angle measure of A. Again, what we can do, we can use here the fact that since angle A plus angle B plus angle C, that equals to 180 degrees, which means that angle A, that is going to be equals to 180 degrees minus angle B plus angle C. Okay, so we get 180 degrees minus 47.5 degrees plus 90 degrees. So that is going to be equals to 42.5 degrees. So we have obtained the angle measure for A as well. So that comes out to be 42.5 degrees. Okay, fine. Now what remains is now to find out the measure of B. So here what we can do, we can take sine of the angle B. Okay, so let's take sine of the angle B. Now finally we're going to take sine of angle B. So sine of angle B, that is simply defined as the opposite to that of the hypotenuse B over C. Since we need here B, so B is going to be equals to C times sine of angle B. So C, that is 610 multiplied to sine of angle B. So B came out as 47.5 degrees. So we are going to plug this into a calculator that is going to give us the value of B. We can get 449.7, or we can say approximately 450. So that is going to be the length of the side B. So B came out as 450 approximately.